little lagoon trip, mid-April. Time to be out here. It's crazy though, it's cold and overcast. We got some warm weather coming in. It's been off and on with the weather. I'm sure you guys know if you've been out here, but I've been seeing some good fish caught. I was out here a few weeks ago with my buddy Jeff. I did okay, but we just fought the wind, but today is perfect. So I'm gonna just be looking for those those big ones cruising around. I don't know, it's probably fish on beds. I'm not that into, you know, bugging the bed fish too much, but just want to catch some nice bass down here on a beautiful day. So yeah, let's see what we could do. Got some Texas rigs, Ned rigs, drop shot, a little swim bait. I don't know, might throw that too, but probably just be flipping around cover, looking for fish on the graph, and so on. All right, let's see what we do. 60 degrees, I like to see. It's a great temperature. This could be good, this could be good. A little black bass. On the Texas rig. I saw him. Coming out here. Fish number one. All right, fish number one. I was seeing some nice fish out a little bit deeper. And I was actually getting right by them. They just did not want to eat anything. I was throwing the drop shot, all the stuff, the Texas rig, but now I got a little shallower and just a little more aggressive out here. So I'm gonna cruise these little shallow flats, maybe flip some cover. That might be a decent fish there. That's a good one. Nice chunky guy. Nice chunky guy. Yeah, there we go. There's a nice, maybe 3-4 pounder. There it is. Yeah. On the bass trap. Nice one. Oh, yeah. Maybe 3. Oh, the hook's nice. On the bass trap. Yeah, get that pressure on. Good weight. Oh. Yeah. 3.1. 3 pounder. Let's go. All right, nice 3 pounder. It's funny, they're finicky today. It's just like been cold now for 2-3 days in a row, almost all week. And they're just not like aggressively eating. Next week's gonna be hot. They'll probably be biting way better. But so just finicky, flipping by them. I'm seeing marks, but I'm seeing so many actually. I'm just like trying not to look at any of the live scope. I'm just flipping cover, flipping around. And that guy just hit it right on the drop. That Texas rig, bass trap worm. Love that worm. All right, let's keep that. Here's that setup on the worm. It's got a little tungsten, 1/8 ounce tungsten, super finesse little Texas rig here. And then this just a real small worm hook, little gap, but it's perfect. Finesse little Texas rig here. Nice fish. Not too big though. That's a heavy one. Oh, nice heavy one. Another one with some little. Oh yeah. 2-pounder. All right, cool. Little drop shot fish. Nice. Wait. Two, 4. There's chunky girl. Chunky guy. All right, quick switch to the drop shot. Bam. Put a little wacky worm on and it got hit. First cast out offshore. So a little drop shot action, a little Texas rig, all worms. So that was a nice little bite. Might be just a little dude though. No, that might be a good fish. Oh yeah, it's a good fish. Ooh yeah. Can't get it up. Ooh, let's go. Oh yeah, nice one. Ooh yeah, nice one. Yeah, all one. Little guy up showing. Yeah, fire though. On the T-rig. Nice. Perfect. Got one. Oh, we'll see better. Nice healthy goon fish. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Two-pounder. 2-1. Nice. Nice. Nice 2-pounder. All right, springtime is here. Lots of catches, getting lots of bites, all different kinds of stuff. Again, though, that was a drop shot. But yeah, didn't even know I had them on. I was like, oh wait, oh boom. Oh, that's a nice one. Nice bass. Nice bass. Nice chunky chunk. Yeah. Another 4-pounder. Yes, sir. Nice one. $3.7 says. Almost 4. Alright, another almost 4-pounder. Just about 20-incher. Sweet. Man, that's some good fish. That thing had a couple great jumps. I think I probably got it on the camera. But that was fun. On the light lines, 6-pound test drop shot again. We'll keep searching for these fish offshore. Little 2-pounder on the Texas rig, maybe? Yeah. Gotta net him. Yeah. Nice, healthy guy. On the bass trap. Smoked it. Nice little hook to the top lip there. No blood. Oh, look at that. Nice chunky little 2-pounder. Oh, that's a fish. That's a big one. Oh my God, it's giant. Giant. That's a big boy. It's a big dog. It's a big dog. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There's a nice springtime bass. Oh, yes. Bass trap worm. Yes. Oh. Yes, sir. Big one. Oh. Whew. Yeah. $5.2. Right between 5.1 and 5.3, so 5.2. I want my 2nd pounder here. crazy. Second 5-pounder. Let's release all these guys. 3-pounder, I think. Yeah. We got 4-pounder. Beautiful 5-pounder. What a nice fish. Alright, I'm gonna call it a day. That was fun. Typical springtime fishing right there. Just good bites, good quality, heavy fish. 5, 4, 3, 2 3s, a few 2s. So I gotta add up that that bag. I don't know if that was my biggest bag ever here, but that 5-pounder helped out a lot. Let's see. I'll show it right here. It was so I don't know. Let's see if that was my biggest or close to it though. Definitely solid, like 15 to 20 pound bag, I think. But yeah, cloudy day, good bites, hitting worms, hitting plastics, all over the place. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I see you again soon out of the water. And take care, guys.